Hi, so now we have everything is working fine. We need only to activate this search. So first of all, we need to open our code. So let's open list and let's search for name. Name contains, yeah, and we need to change this to search to be like this. And let's refresh our page right now. So now we have search. So we need to enable this search in our project. So first of all, I'm gonna modify this for. So I'm gonna say for. I need to give it a URL and I need also to give it a method. So I'm gonna say method equal to post and equal to post, and we need to give it also an action. And in this action, we're gonna add our URL. So we're gonna say URL, and we're gonna add the URL of the product list. So we have here underscore product list. So I'm gonna say products colon product list. So now in the submit, we need to also type submit, yeah. So let's save this and let's refresh our page. And here let's say iPhone. So now as we can see, this is refreshing. So this is forbidden for CSRF, but don't worry, we're gonna fix this. So now we're getting the information from this for into our product list. So let's open our product list view, and we need to import the Django queue lookup for search. And if you wanted to know more about this lookup, you could search Google for Django image lookup, Django search lookup. So I'm gonna say Django search queue, and you're gonna find this in the Django documentation. So we're gonna search for queue. So let's move down. So we have the search in Django documentation. So we have use cases to search using the filter. So Django queue lookups, and should be in this page. Here you can move down retrieving objects. Yeah, so we have this. Let's move down, limiting, fill this lookup. So we're gonna have the queue right now. Yeah, complex lookup with queue object. So this is the queue object. So first we need to import this in our code like this. And in our list view, we need to filter the search. So first of all, after this category, so we need to add the search. So we're gonna say search query equal to, and we need to get the data from our search form. So here we have the input, the value, and we have inclusion, focus, and so on. So we have this input, so we need to add a name to this input. So we're gonna give it a name equal to queue, and we're gonna receive this queue in our Django view. So we're gonna say request, become request dot get this get method, the get, and we need to get the queue. Okay, so let's print this queue. Print this search query. Yeah. So now let's make sure our server is running, and let's refresh this page, and we're gonna add icons to see if we're gonna receive this icon on our view or not. So if we search, and let's open our terminal. So now we should see icon. So we've got none actually. So let's move down. Yeah, there is nothing. So let's review our code. So we said, and let's review this. So we're gonna remove those. And now we have this input of the method post, the action. So now let's try it again. I'm gonna add what also none. Okay. So in our views, we're gonna say if search query, and if search query, we're gonna print. So let's save this, and let's try this. The server is not working. So we've got, so this is placeholder, yeah. Forbidden CSRF missing or incorrect. So this is actually good. And let's refresh our page, and let's search for iPhone. Let's hit search. So now if we open our terminal, we should see iPhone. Yeah, now we have iPhone. So now the problem was we used the both post in the method of the form, and this is wrong. We should use get actually, because we're sending this information. Our view is getting this information using the quest.get. Yeah. So now we have a search. We need to filter our product list. So let's remove this print. I'm gonna say product list and equal to product list dot filter, and we need to filter with many things actually. So first of all, we're gonna say queue, and we're gonna open. In our models of this item, we have the name, so we're gonna filter with name. So we're gonna say name, and I'm gonna say underscore underscore I contains, and this name should contains, let's say, the search query. And let's save this, and let's move down. So if we take a look at the URL, we have question mark u equal to iPhone. So let's refresh. The server is not running, so let's run it. And now if we search for, let's say, MacBook Mac, so let's enter. So now we have Q equal to Mac, and we have MacBook Pro, because this MacBook contains Mac in its title or the name. So now we need to search also over the description. So we're gonna say Q, and we're gonna say what are the models. So we have description. So we're gonna say description _ I contains equal to also the search query. And do we have something else to search over? So we have the name, the description, we have the condition. Yeah, we have the condition or the print. The condition and the print. So we're gonna also duplicate this. So we need the condition and the print. So now everything is working fine, and let's refresh our page. The server is not running. So now let's refresh. So let's search with, let's see, so let's take a look at the brand. We have Apple, so let's search by Apple. So let's say Apple, so let's hit enter. So we have, yeah, the brand is a relationship. So we need to, the brand is a relationship with this brand. So we're gonna say brand name. So in the brand we're gonna say, yeah, sorry, we should say brand I contains, like this, and let's refresh this. So we've got an error. Fill. So let's refresh, and let's add an Apple. Let's hit search. Now we've got an error, related field invalid lookup, because this is because of the relationship. So we're gonna say brand _ brand name. Sorry, we should get this brand name, and this brand name I contains a search query. So now let's go back and let's write Apple, and let's hit search. So now we've got iPhone, and if we hit next, we can see the MacBook Pro. This is awesome. So we need to apply this also in the description. But we're not gonna search over category. But we can search also over category if we wanted to do this. So we're gonna say category _ category name. Category _ name, I contain search query. So we need to search also over condition. So we're gonna say new. So if we search, we should get MacBook, this MacBook, because the condition of this MacBook, sorry, category matching query does not exist. Yeah, okay. So we're gonna fix this, so don't worry. So now we need to fix this issue that we've got right now, because we're using the get, and it's not a best solution. We should use get or 404, and we're gonna do this but in the next lecture. So we now fixed the search issue. So now we have, let's take a look at the project. So now we can see all the products. We can filter by categories. We can search over categories. We have the definition, and now everything is working fine. So let's fix this issue, and we're gonna do this but in the next lecture. See you next lecture.